First-degree burn. The structure affected by a first-degree burn is the epidermis. The tissue that makes up the epidermis is a keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. The function of the epidermis is to provide the body with a protective shield. However, in our scenario, the protective shield is compromised.
The epidermis is the first and outermost layer of the skin. It is composed of epithelial tissue. The dermis is a strong, flexible connective tissue, but today we'll be focusing on the epidermis. Keratinocytes are the outermost layer of the epidermis. They are thin, irregular, stratified squamous. The function of these cells is to produce keratin, which is a protein within the epidermis that gives its protective properties. By the time that the keratinocytes reach the surface, they are completely dead. Millions of keratinocytes are rubbed off every day, and within 25 to 45 days, we are wearing a completely new epidermis.
The melanocytes are found in the deepest layer of the skin. They are spider-shaped. They produce a pigment called melanin. The melanin accumulates in melanosomes. These motor proteins move the melanosomes along the actin filaments, kind of like spider arms. They are then transferred to the keratinocytes, forming a pigment shield. Dendritic cells are star-shaped. They arise from the bone marrow and they ingest foreign substances. They are key activators in our immune system. Tactile cells are located at the epidermal-dermal junction. They are shaped like a spiky hemisphere. Each tactile cell is intimately associated with a nerve ending. They are part of our sensory. They are used for sensory receptor for touch.